Hey buds. So, I was scrolling through my phone to find some recipes from Nutrition Month for inspiration, and I chose this one, and then realized later that it's actually from the 2021 collection. Oops. See, I am just that committed to reusing and recycling. So, it is still a delicious and nutritious snack, and it is also great for using your scraps, because if you have an overripe avocado like this one, you can make it into something tasty while disguising any of those funky colors. So as long as it is not actually molding, you can always use an overripe avocado. And if you choose imperfect produce like these, you can save money while diverting waste from our food systems. Avocados are grown in a few different places, so they actually are considered in season all year round. And fun fact, if you are a crafty person, you can save and dry the skins and the pits and use them to dye fabric or yarn. So let me know if that's a video you'd like to see someday. So we're gonna grab our blender and pop in our ingredients, starting with our avocado, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 1.5 teaspoons of honey, half a cup of milk, and a pinch of salt. Now for the deep woods twist, we are going to use some wild blueberries foraged from the far north of Saskatchewan instead of raspberries. But use whatever berries you have on hand, and I will link the recipe in the description below too. Dietitian tip, if your snacker needs a specific consistency, you can add more or less liquid to get just the right thickness. Now we'll blend it smooth. Finally, you're going to pour or scoop it into your dishes of choice. And top with a fancy little garnish. We are going to use a little homegrown hydroponic mint. Let us know your favorite berry or garnish in the comments below. Happy Nutrition Month!